recipe Angela. And I'm here with the rich and famous vegan guy. I'm also here with Lisa and Justin, LLC. Construction update. Construction walls. The construction. We got some drill holes and a bigger drill. And this is for Twizzlers Twisted Gravity, the SNS Screamin Swing, going in here next year.
Yeah, probably.
Fun fact, best views is probably the overlook. They're drilling another as we speak. I believe the entrance is gonna be up here on this hill. The ride is gonna be here. Never mind, I just got intel that the entrance is actually down here and it will be swinging out over the agua. To keep with the pattern that Comet created, entrance is gonna be down here and the exit is gonna be up here. There will be a staircase. So that is my entire construction update this week. Stay tuned for more. That's it. Take care, bye.